There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
I hope everybody sees my screen. Let me just see something. Okay, we are here. So please, everybody, use the chat if you have any questions. Today we're gonna go through some really important things. First of all, we will check the settings. So because I know we have a lot of new traders, we also are starting a new strategy that a lot of people are getting excited about. Also, I'm getting a lot of direct messaging about this strategy. So I will like to go first of all through all the settings that we have in Flash. So if you are using Flash Pro, what most of you are using, we're gonna go through some settings so you guys understand the settings more. Okay. So first of all, what we have here the lot size. Okay, with the lot size, you can be as aggressive as you want to, and you can be as aggressive as conservative as you want to. So, what we suggest one pair per every $1,000 on your account with 0.01. So, what does that mean? If you have $10,000 on your account, you can run either 10 pairs with 0.01 because that amounts to 0.10 what you can run, or you can run 5 pairs with 0.02 lot size, or you can run 1 pair with 0.10 lot size. It depends what you would like. My personal opinion is that it's better to run more pairs with a smaller lot size. Okay, and then the next thing is we have take profit cash amount. So what does the cash amount take profit does? If all the open trades reach $400, as I have it here, then it's gonna close it out with $400. So again, here you can put maybe multiply it with just 100. Okay, maybe you can put here only, let's say 40, or maybe you can multiply it with 200 and just put here 80. If it reaches $80, it's gonna close out everything. So what we did, we said okay, if it's gonna go like to 100, then it's gonna close out with $400 in profit. But you can put whichever number you feel good for you. The next thing is we have trailing stop loss. Okay, trailing stop loss. What does it mean? Cash trail start. Cash trail start means when all the open trades all together are $36 in profit, then it's gonna close out all the trades. So here we have two options. Okay, if you want to be more conservative, then you just multiply your lot size with 300. So I'm multiplying here the cash trail start with 900 because I'm trying to see how much drawdown we can get and how much profit. What I would do, if you're like a new user, just multiply it here with 300. So instead of 36, you would have here 12. Okay, you would have here 12, and then again here you would multiply the lot size with just 100. So what does that mean? You would go here 12 and cash trail buffer 4. So what does the cash trail buffer means? When it comes to $36, the stop loss, the trailing stop loss, is gonna hit. Okay, it's gonna secure that you cannot go into a negative anymore. But what it's gonna do, it's gonna trail by $80. So if you have $36 secured and it falls the $36, it goes to 28, then it's gonna close out your winning trades with $28. So again, this is like how much breathing space you're gonna give each pair. Okay, you can put like only €1, $1, and then it's gonna close out with $35. Or you can put like $20 and it's gonna trail with 20 and you're just gonna secure $16. So this is like with how much cash you're it's trailing the stop loss. Then the next thing, max trades enabled. Okay, here you have an enabled and how many trades altogether can flash open. Don't put 100. Okay, this is my testing account, so I have it 100 so it can open up as many trades as it wants. In my opinion, I wouldn't go here over 10, max 15 trades. And then if I see that the market it's like going against me, then I would like slowly open up more trades. Okay. Then the next thing what we have it's max trades pip enabled. Okay, this is like how many trades it can open per how many pips. Okay, so here if we set put here 50, then it can open only two trades in the in 50 pip range. So here, what we can do, I was just getting this like into my head right now. I like you can go here in investing.com tools forex volatility calculator, and I put here the last 16 weeks. 16 weeks. This is like 14 months, 4 months, so we can see how much every pair it's moving. As you can see here, AUDCAD it's moving on average per day 81 pips. Okay, so what you can do, you can go to AUDCAD. You can do go to AUDCAD, or which pair do we have here open already? We have open up EURCAD. Okay, so let's see EURCAD. Okay, you can see EURCAD, it's averaging 120 pips per day. Okay, so what we can do, we can go to EURCAD and we can say open only two trades for every 120 pips. Okay, why? Because on average, EURCAD it's moving a lot. So I don't want to have a lot of trades open, like let's say in the range of just 20 pips. Because if I put 20 pips here, then it's gonna open way too many trades because EURCAD it's moving a lot. Okay, so smart profit, you don't have this yet because we're testing this out. But let's go forward. Here you have like risk settings. Okay, risk setting is like how much money per pair are you willing to lose. Okay, so I have it here set to 0 because I'm testing here. But definitely for every single pair, I would like suggest to you that you figure out like how much you're willing to lose per pair, and then you set it up here. Okay, the next thing what we have, it's pending order setup. So like every order that is getting put in by Flash, it's like that means like how long it's gonna be active. So when it's like a sell stop, or like buy limit, sell limit, and when it puts on, it's like how long it's gonna be on the chart before it gets activated. If it doesn't get activated in 60 minutes, then it's gonna be deleted. Then the stochastic indicator, it's like how long are you gonna wait that like how precise the trades are going to be, because stochastic indicator it like indicates when the market should reverse, and then you can put it, I have it on 39 and 7. Okay, because in my opinion I think that's like a really good value. And then that's actually it. So you have to play around with these different values, and then you just press OK. So the next thing what it is, you can go, actually this is what I'm going to do on every single pair now. I just got the idea today. So what we're gonna do, we will go. We have like here, okay, we have AUDCAD, and we have here AUDCAD 81.67 pips. So we're gonna go here, and I will put on AUDCAD. I will put the range where I have it here. I have two trades for every 50 pips. I will put here 82. Okay, so I will go with the daily range of the last 4 months, and then I will go also the same thing for AUD Swiss franc. You can see 81, so I will put here again 82, 82. Okay, and I will do the exact same thing for AUDNZD. You can see 70 74, so 75, 75, and this is the same thing as you can do. And then like if we go JPY pairs, I would stay away, totally away from JPY pairs. Don't trade JPY pairs, and don't trade Swiss franc pairs because they're like unknown pairs that love the trend. You can see here, if we go, you can see like this move what they made. Actually, you can see here, this was like a move of almost like 2000 pips, guys. So don't trade those pairs. But anyway, I'm still having it because we're testing. So you can see AUD JPY 136 pips, So what we can do here, we can put here every 140 pips. You see, I have 100, but I put here 140 pips. So just to save, stay on the safe side. Okay. We can also see gold. You can see gold 2,802. So that's like 280 pips for flash. And then let's see if you have USD 30. We don't have here the USD 30. So I will show you also the USD 30 settings that I have. I run all the pairs on H4. As you can see, I'm running everything on H4. So what I would do here, I would put like every at least every 250 points, pips. That's like 2,500 points, and then press OK. So you can see here, if we go to my FX book, so this is like where you can see the volatility of the pairs. But if we go to my FX book, you can see that USD 30, USD TAC, German 30, gold and silver are the best performing pairs by far so far. Then the next one is EURCAD, Euro AUD. Again, for EURCAD and Euro AUD, you go here, check Euro AUD. You can see 165 pips. Okay, so go back to your flash, and where we have Euro AUD. Euro AUD, you can see here, we have it here, and we have two trades for every 100 pips. I would go Euro AUD, we have it 165 pips. Okay, so what I would do, I would go here and put every 165 pips just to be on the safe side. So this is like how you can adjust flash, but don't trade JPY or Swiss franc pairs. And now let's jump into our gold strategy that everybody is so excited about. I showed you the settings that I'm using. Really important is that when you are using the gold strategy, just open here. Okay, when you're using the gold strategy, it's really important that you actually go here and you put everything to M15 chart. Okay, you see it here, it's M15. You have to put it to M15, and then you put flash on it, and the settings are like that. Okay, I have lot size 0.06. So what I do, I multiply 0.6, I multiply it with 500, so I get here the take profit cash amount 30. The next thing is I multiply 0.06, I multiply it with 200, so I get 12. And then the cash trail buffer, it's always by 1. I'm only allowing it 8 trades to open at the same time, not more. And I have here one trade for every 150 pips. I think that I will even go higher to 200 pips. And then I can see here I have the drawdown limit cash amount. This is like the demo account. So what I'm doing here, it's like I'm going like really aggressive. But on my live account that I'm gonna start, I think like end of July, 1st of August, I'm gonna start a live account. I just want to see some more stuff before I go live. Then I'm gonna put it like here. For every $250, I'm gonna go up with the lot size with 0.01 up. And I will put like, let's say if I have zero point 0.7, I will go here up for $75. So here my drawdown limit cash amount is gonna be, it's gonna be 525. But like the lot size 0.06 on the live account, I will be using on five on $1,750 account. But if you want to even more go more conservative, just go up for every $500 on your account. Pending order setup, you can see here, it expires. It deletes them every 30 minutes. When they get set up, it deletes them after every 30 minutes. So what I'm gonna do now, when it starts 1st of July, I will actually go here that it deletes them every 15 minutes. So I will see how good it is, because this strategy, it's a scalping strategy. Okay, I want to go into trades really fast, and I want to get out of trades really fast. I don't want the trades to last like 5 hours, 7 hours, but like after 1 hour when the trade is activated, I already want to be actually out. Then my stochastic indicator is it's on 95 and 5. Okay, that's it, because I want to have like really precise entries, and also I want to be fast out of trades. So the results with this strategy for now, they're like amazing. You can see here, this month we are up like 70%, was like insane, 70%. But then what if we even look the drawdown what it was in June when I switched to like 30 minutes, they're like deleting every 30 minutes the pending orders. You can see the drawdown was like $0.38 and we made like 70% return, what is insane. I'm just gonna go on live account like between 10 to 15% with a really low drawdown. So I will test in month of July with 15-minute deletion of the pending orders to see if we're gonna get even better entries. So like I would give you this my FX book, but I forgot like what was my password to trade, and that's why I cannot verify the MyFX book. So that's I'm sorry for that. I will give you screenshots every single day when I see. But also, what is like really important here, if we go to history, you can see the duration of the trades, and you can see the last trade was like 55 minutes, 3 hours, 8 hours. I don't like that 8 hours. I would like to stay like under 1 hour, like how it's here. You can see 42 minutes, 56 minutes. You can see here trade 4 minutes, 3 minutes. This is like amazing. And also here you can see 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 9 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes. So this is what I want to achieve. That's why I want to go even deletion of the trades like in 15 minutes to see if that's gonna be better. And because I really don't like these two 1 hour, that's okay. 8 hours, 7 hours, I don't like these long trades. And also what I saw with these long trades, let me see something, my time GMT. Okay, what I saw with these trades is that they're like actually getting open. The long trades, they're getting open before London session, and also in Asian session they get like open, and I don't like them. You can see this 54 minutes, 38 minutes, this is like what I love, like that they're like under 1 hour. You see, like this is even better. 8 seconds, 7 seconds. It's like amazing. If we can achieve that, then we can like really have like a amazing scalping strategy. And I will also play around with the USD 30 and all the German 30 to see how it actually we can do it better. So guys, I see that there's like no questions. Thank you everybody that was live with me, and also watch the recording over and over and over so you can see how the settings actually work and just play around. And I think that Flash it's amazing tool that we can really use. But like also as I told you, don't use JPY pairs. USD JPY the worst performing pair, like by a lot. Also you can see CAD JPY, Swiss franc JPY, GBP AUD average daily range. If we go to GBP AUD, you can see it's like 172 pips. So if we go back 172, I'll put 175. You can see here, it's a lot of trades open because I have it like before, like on 25, and you can put 175 here, and this is gonna be like really nice to trade. But also when this got open, we didn't have the special indicator that Flash has now for even filtering trades out better. So this is it. Thank you very much for everybody, and talk to you next week.